So you're thinking of taking the plunge into starting a freelance business. Fantastic! Today we'll break down the essentials from pinpointing your niche to securing clients. This guide will equip you with the knowledge you need to thrive as your own boss. Let's get into it, shall we? Hello there, my name's Ian from Your Company Formations, where we make turning your freelance dream into a reality. Now don't get me wrong, freelancing takes dedication and hard work, but for those who crave flexibility and control over their careers, it can be incredibly rewarding. Step number 1, find your niche. Before diving in, it's crucial to define your area of expertise. What are you really good at? Do you have a passion for writing, graphic design, or maybe a social media management? Think about your skills, experience, and interests. Research the freelance market to see where your strengths align with current needs. Remember, specialising can help you attract higher paying clients who value your specific expertise. It's also a good idea to create a business plan to set you up for success. And, as luck would have it, we have a perfect video guide on our channel. So click here and save it for yourself until after you finish watching this. Step number 2, build your brand. Once you've locked down your niche, it's time to create a strong personal brand that reflects your professionalism and value. Here's where Your Company Formations can be a huge help. Having a registered business name and setting up a basic limited company structure lends legitimacy to your brand. It shows your clients you're serious about your freelance career. Plus, forming a limited company can come with tax benefits in the long run. And of course, don't forget about your tax, legal, insurance and data protection obligations. As although we like to think everything will be rosy in our garden, it doesn't always work out that way. So having some kind of contingency in place for when things do go wrong will mean you secure your personal assets. We can also help with these things, so feel free to drop us a line. But don't forget about your online presence as well. Develop a user-friendly website, showcasing your skills and past projects. Utilise platforms like LinkedIn or freelance marketplaces to connect with potential clients. Step 3, set your rates and pricing. Freelancing is about earning a living, so setting competitive and sustainable rates is key. Research industry standards for your chosen niche and factor in your experience level and overhead costs. Don't underestimate yourself. You bring valuable skills to the table. Remember, it's better to start a bit higher and negotiate than to lowball yourself in the first place. Step 4, find clients and land projects. There are countless ways to find freelance clients in today's digital world. Utilise your online presence, network with other freelancers and industry professionals, and actively pitch your services directly to potential clients. Here's a pro tip for you. Focus on building trust and strong communication from the get-go. Delivering high quality work on time and exceeding expectations is the best way to secure repeat business and positive referrals. Step 5, manage your business. Freelancing isn't just about the creative work, it's also about keeping your business running smoothly. Stay organised with project management tools, track your income and expenses, and set aside time for self-care and work-life balance. Remember, starting a freelance business is an exciting journey. With the right preparation, dedication, and a little support from Your Company Formations, you can turn your freelance dreams into a reality. Thanks for watching.